I'm Lisa Barr.
And I'm Chris Barr. When we first started talking about getting a new house, I had kind of an idea of what I want, and Lisa went ahead and allowed me to go ahead and take my whole vision of what I thought I wanted to do. And I spent a lot of time in Los Angeles working over the last 30 years. And so I knew that I wanted something that would be a little bit different than what everybody else had. And so we got talking a little bit, and the Spanish Mediterranean style look is what we kind of came up with. And knowing that we wanted a lot of arches and a lot of features with the Mediterranean home, it just felt really right on this slot.
When Chris first thought about this house, it always was going to have a clay tile roof. And so before we even hired the person that was going to build our house, Chris went to Weddle to talk to them to see if it was even possible, because in this area, nobody has a tile roof. So he went and talked to them, and that's sort of where the relationship, started. And so when we hired the builder, we said, we don't care who does the floors, who does the appliances or whatever, but Weddle has to do our roof. And so that's sort of how the roof came to be.